Hello, everyone. It's Mrs. Rubin. I'm so happy to see you today. I hope you guys are all happy and healthy and excited to get started with the lesson. I'm here today to talk to you about math. We are going to start our math lesson today with a number talk. How many of you have ever done a number talk? Excellent. It's good to see that some of you have. For those of you that haven't ever done a number talk, I want to talk to you about how they work. A number talk is simply that, where we just sit and talk about numbers, okay? I might show you a dot pattern, and we'll talk about the dot pattern, or I might show you a problem that you need to solve, or I might show you 4 different things, and you have to tell me which one doesn't belong and why it doesn't belong. Okay, so that's what we do in a number talk, and to make them work well, we're going to do all of these, first of all, mentally. We don't use any paper or pencil, okay? So we do it all in our head. It's just what are we thinking? So I can get just your thoughts. In order to do that, when you know the answer to the problem, then you're going to put your fist right here on your chest and put up your thumb. And that lets me know you've got an answer, okay? Now, while you wait for the rest of the class to have an answer, you can think of another way to solve the problem. And then you can put up your next finger. And if you think of a third way, put up another finger, and so on and so forth. Okay? Now, when I give you some time to think about it, I'm then going to give you a chance to share your answers with me. So we'll see some different ways that people have decided they would like to solve the problem. Okay? Many different ways to solve the problem. Don't think there's only one way. Okay? So the problem I would like you to solve today is 90 minus 59. 90 minus 59. Let's make that a little bit bigger so you can see it. There we go. All right. Think about that problem. How would you solve it? And remember, don't shout out loud. Okay, go ahead, and I'm going to give you some time to think. Okay, if you need more time to think about it, that's just fine. Go ahead and pause the video, and then when you're ready, when you've thought of a way to solve it, go ahead and push play again, okay? I'm going to show you how Emily decided she would solve the problem. In Emily's mind, she already knew that 90 minus 60 equals 30. So she said, if 90 minus 60 equals 30, then 90 minus 59 would equal 31. Does everybody see how she came up with that? She subtracted and subtracted again, didn't she? Okay. Jeff, let's see how Jeff decided to do it. Jeff said, whoops, that's not Jeff. Jeff said that 90 minus 50 equals 40. He already knew that in his head because 9 minus 5 equals 4, so 90 minus 50 would equal 40. Then Jeff took 40, subtracted 9 more, and he got 31. That's another way to solve the problem. Now, I want you to think of 2 more ways to solve the problem. And if you were in my classroom, I'd have you get on Flipgrid, and I would have you talk to me about how you solve the problem. I'm not your classroom teacher, so I want you to look at your lesson and see how your teacher would like you to let them know what you were thinking. It's been great, guys. We'll see you next time.